Welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, we are going to learn about variables, scope, rules. So, there are main two types for scope. That is, first one is global level variables. Global level variables are defined outside to the function, usually on the top of the program like this, and we can access these variables into main function or into any other function like test function. Let's suppose if I declare here g variable that represent global variable, and in main I can access this variable and change the value or initialize value is 10, and then here function call. Now I am going to call this function which is test here, and in this function I am going to display a value of g. So run the program, and the value of g is 10 because this is global variable. Every function can access this variable. So like you can declare it here, but the proper way is declare on the top of the program and the result is same. So now we are going toward local level variables. Local level variables are the variables that are declared inside the function or inside the block, like inside the if condition. You can create a variable like var abc integer type, but you cannot access it here. For example, var l local and integer type, assign a value local 20, fmt println and local variable, and here can print local. Run the program. Local variable 20, but you cannot access this variable into this function. Like now run the program. Undefined local, because this variable is undefined with respect to this function. And now if we talk about the life of the local variables and global variables, if in case of global variable its life is till the end of the whole program, and local variable life is till the end of this function or this block of code. If this function is end, local variable will automatically removed from the memory, and if I suppose run again, there is no error. And now we are going to talk about formal parameters, like a is the formal parameter, and send a from here which is 50. This is also treated as local variable, so you can copy here, and the value of a is a, and the program, the value of a is 50. If you want to display this variable outside the function, this will be cause an error, and here is an error, that is non-declaration statement outside the function body, and just remove this statement. This is all about scope rules. Thank you for watching this video.